Nozkova. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a deep tech impact startup called Flox Robotics. And just to briefly tell you about what we are doing and why, I think I can start with just saying that we all know that we share our planet with many wild animals, whether it be wild boars or elk or deer or birds. Unfortunately, what we see is that also the human population is increasing, and so do many wildlife species, and that is due to climate change and mild winters. So where we are today and what the future looks like, it can be something like this. This is generated by ChatGPT, but it can show us how severe and increasing the human-wildlife conflict actually is. Because in the future we will be fighting or competing more and more for space, food, and resources unless we do something about it. So some of the cases that we at Flox Robotics already work with today include wild boars destroying and eating up crops each night for farmers, but also airports and bird strikes and elk collisions with trains. And these are massive economic, climate, and safety problems. Unfortunately, it doesn't even stop there. So the human-wildlife conflict is actually a $60 billion problem worldwide, and it spans from agriculture to wind parks to public spaces, golf courses, roads, and even young forests. So no matter how much you try with the low-tech solutions today, they just can't keep up. So it can be regulated hunting or protected hunting. It can be different scarecrows or fences. But these are unethical. They simply don't work because animals are intelligent and they tend to get used to it and get habituated quite quickly. And fences are also very costly to just set up and maintain for large areas. But don't worry, because we at Flox have come up with a completely different approach. So I tend to say that we can be best compared to some kind of a futuristic sheepdog that acts like an invisible fence and gently herds animals around human life from all the areas where they are not supposed to be. I'm trying to show you also with the video, but I'm not sure if I can make it work. Anyway, you can look at our website instead. In order to herd animals away in complete autonomy, we need to combine different sciences and different technologies. So we work a lot with wildlife science, tailored acoustics, and also computer vision, machine learning, generative AI, and robotics into one package solution. But our solution doesn't only work on drones, it can also work on stationary devices and even on top of trains. So we have simply developed what is the world's completely first autonomous wildlife management as a service for different platforms. And it's also protected with 2 patents already today. So this means that no matter the carrier of our technology, let it be a drone or a train, we can actually monitor, we can repel, and we can predict animals in all the areas where they are not supposed to be. And our solution is also very easy to set up. So we are not a drone manufacturer. Our solution is 95% software, and then it's packaged into a small payload that you can see here that is plug and play to different drone manufacturers. So you as a customer, no matter if you are an airport or a farmer, you choose the drone provider that you want to have, and our system is already compatible with 3 different manufacturers. So you just set up the drone dock-based system in the field, and then our system does the rest of the job. And if you think that it's a sci-fi, it's actually not. And we are implementing our solutions with all of these major customers. So it's everything from Swedavia to World Wildlife Foundation, Boliden, Alstom, Djurgårdsverket, City of Stockholm, and also First Traction in the US, both with Nelson Farms and Palo Alto Airport this summer. So we have been able to grow our revenue quite steadily, and this year we actually forecast 10 million Swedish crowns in net sales. And our customers are almost as excited about Flox as I am. So here you can see, for example, from Swedavia, they say it's a game changer for all the airports worldwide because today they just use cars and gunshots and it just doesn't work. But also, for example, cities, they say nothing else has worked. It's completely worth it, and even a US Congresswoman who saw our demo said it's actually revolutionary for managers. But none of this would have been possible with our team. So we are actually 10 people today, and we have diverse backgrounds. So me, myself, I've been working with the international business development for 10 years, but our CTO has been scaling tech companies in Silicon Valley for 25 years before coming back to Sweden. We have also a PhD in wildlife management, PhD in robotics from KTH, and a bunch of robotics and autonomous systems engineers, and also board members who work with the VC-backed scaled deep tech. So last slide. I think with our solutions actually implemented across the globe in different shared landscapes, we can actually help humans and wildlife coexist for the first time. And I hope that perhaps if this resonates with you in some way, you can talk to me afterwards. We have also our office upstairs where I can show you how everything works. So thank you.
Wonderful, Sara. I have a question for you. So what did you exactly ask ChatGPT to give you that picture you showed? What was the question you gave?
The future of human wildlife.
Is that right? Oh, that's scary.
And it's a negative one.
Thank you so much, Sara. Good to have you.